Hello guys, it's been so long. I know my name is Alexis and today I'll be opening a 25-piece mixed women's box, and this time it's from Arizona. I was on vacation in Argentina and I just didn't order any boxes, of course. I got these really cool like pepper earrings. There's a cute shop in Argentina called Isadora. So they sell like little jewelries, and I got this charm bracelet. It's making a lot of noise, sorry. My friend Sharon gave me this necklace. That's who I was visiting, one of the people. But these pepper earrings, they're like glass, really cool. So when I came back, I ordered the first one that I saw available. I also ordered a jean box because that's also what was available, and both of those are coming from Arizona. This one arrived about 2 days ago, and then the jean box is supposed to arrive today. It's actually only my second denim box. The first one I didn't film and I got tons of made well and made my money back. So my trip to Argentina was so great, but I'm excited to be back. I have some life updates to share with you guys soon. I started selling on the RealReal recently, and I'll let you guys know how that's going soon. Okay, let's get into this box. I did open this box before. I will say that it has some great brands, some new to me brands that are really good that I had to look up. But we do have some mall brands, unfortunately. They're actually not too bad of a style, but I'll probably just end up donating them or trying to sell them to Plato's Closet or just giving them to a friend. People don't realize how much resellers actually do give away and donate back. So let's get into it. First, we have this cute dress with stars. It's by Miami, not Miami, Miami. And it's a size small, super cute. Just Ruffle star dress. I feel like I would keep this for myself if it was my size. Okay, I need to take this bracelet off, it's making too much noise. Next, this is a new to me brand. It is, let's see, Faithful the brand, size 2. It's very small. However, I think I'm gonna send this into the RealReal. That's what I was hoping for, some things to send into the RealReal. I'm like this close to reaching the next tier to get 60% commission. So I'll either send this to a buy sell trade store or to the RealReal. It's just an orange jumpsuit with like a large cutout in the back, ties. Sorry if you hear my neighbors. This is a city, it's inevitable. Also, when did Starbucks get white straws? What? All right, we have some Misguided size 6 pants. I wish these were my size as well because these are so cute. They're like cargo pants, very lightweight, cargo joggers. New tags. Misguided doesn't really sell for much, so I think I'm gonna try to sell these to Plato's Closet or something. All right, we have Loft, size 10 shorts. I wear like size 8 to size 10. I'm 5'10" or 11, so I might keep these. I love the color, and they have like a little belt tie here. All right, we have a New Day extra small dress. A New Day is a Target brand, but this dress looks pretty cute. I don't know what season this is from, but it has pockets. Spring is coming, so who knows. It's rayon, which is nice, and it is from 2019. So it's like 3 years ago. It's actually from precisely 3 years ago, spring collection 2019 at Target. So if I like rip that little tag out, you know, they might not know. We have some Massimo Jeans, another Target brand. These are new with tags, and these are 17 shorts. Slim fit. Again, I'll either donate, these are low-rise jeans, even though apparently low-rise is coming back, but they're low-rise and they're short, and it's an odd number size, so I don't know. I'll probably just donate these or try to sell them at Plato's Closet as well. Another Target brand, but this is actually really cute, A New Day. This is from 2018. And it's like this little embroidered cardigan, which is so cute, size large. I feel like when I wear these things, I actually look like a grandma instead of looking cool. So, I mean, maybe I'll try to style it, but otherwise I'll just give it to a friend, donate it, etc. Okay, this is a new to me brand, Ribkoff Trends, and it's this long black skirt with this silk detail, like a really long black pencil skirt. I think I might keep this for myself. It doesn't have a size, so I can't sell it back to ThredUP, and I don't feel like measuring it, but it looks to be like kind of my size. But I think this with like a crop top or a black turtleneck would be so cute. Even though winter is ending, I mean, maybe I can still get some use out of it. Okay, these are my first pair of Hudson jeans, I believe. They are black and they are size, size 27. Okay, that's a really good size. That's I believe that's like size 6 around there. Just straight, skinny, black jeans. They do have stretch to them. Good quality. This is a new to me brand. Guys, first of all, before I even tell you what brand these are like some khakis. How much do you think these would be worth? Just a ballpark, okay? These are Loro Piana, size 42. I was like, okay, these look like semi-fancy. You never know, something's trick you. These pants originally go for like hundreds and hundreds of dollars, like this. Like my grandma wore this, you know, it's just. So I'm gonna send these back to ThredUP. I don't think the real, you know, accept these. These aren't that trendy, but I feel like sometimes you can get lucky, send things back to ThredUP and they'll just buy them back. Okay, this is a Do and Be size small. I forgot to look up this brand. I don't remember if this is a good brand or not, but really cute shirt. I feel like this is definitely in style. Definitely gonna try to sell this to a buy sell trade store. Super cute. We just have a Gap medium boyfriend fit, like linen shirt, pink. I'll probably send this back to ThredUP or donate it. Very interesting, new tags. Signature 8. I'm not familiar with this brand, but it's like an upside down skirt. At first I was very confused because, okay, here's the skirt, like how you're supposed to put it on, like this. But like the belts down here, the pockets are like this way. So like, look at, this is the bottom. Because the zipper goes this way. Very interesting. I also did not look up this brand. But again, buy, sell, trade store probably. Primark, these are marked for $11. I wish they were my size 6. Oh, they do have some holes in the back though. Wow, okay. ThredUP did me really low with these because these are marked at $11 pants. Like, okay. But either way, they're cute. Maybe I'll give these to a friend. The holes aren't that bad, or just donate them. I mean, they're still pretty cute pants. J. Jill, size small. Going back to ThredUP, just this cute like cotton crew neck and an olive green. Another Target brand, Universal Threads, one size fits most, marked at $25. This is really cute. It's like a poncho with closed sides. I mean, maybe I'll keep this for me. Really cute. I mean, we could give it as a present. Who knows? Okay. Forever 21 size medium skirt. Again, such a cute piece, but has no value. I'll probably give this to a friend if she wants it. This seems like kind of up her alley and style. Very cute. Wish this fit me. Adorable. Okay, this is definitely going to donation. This is a very old Massimo tag, extra large, floral, like cold shoulder shirt, and I don't even know if I can see what season this is from. I'm just curious. 2016. Okay, actually not as bad as I thought it would be. I mean, it's not bad, but this, like, is worth pennies at this point, unfortunately. Okay, this is so cute too. Forever 21 plus 2X. If this was my size, I would also wear this. Adorable. It's just like this spaghetti strap dress, really great quality, so cute. I don't know what season this is from, but so cute. Okay, we have a New York & Company stretch large dress, and it's this black midi dress with like a tie. I feel like I might keep this for myself. It's like very, I feel like this type of material is very flattering to your body, like no matter what size you are. These types of like bodycon dresses with the thick like stretchy fabric. So I might just take this belt off because it seems a little like outdated and just wear it as is as a midi dress. I don't know. I think it'll be cute on me. Just like a very long black midi dress. We have a coat, new look. I forgot to look up this brand. I don't know. It's too small for me too. It's a size 4, but it's in a UK size 8. But it's just this cute black trench coat. I mean, we're coming out of winter, so I don't know if I can sell this to a buy-sell trade store. They're probably not looking for trench coats or anything, but we'll see. Another Target brand, Wild Fable. This is just a black floral button up. Probably donate it. It's not gonna have any resale value, but it's so cute. I mean, I might keep it for me. Again, with these like floral prints, I look more like a grandma than I do anything, so it's kind of hard for me to style these. I mean, my Instagram account is Millennial Grandma, so it makes sense. But okay, we have Romy. Again, not of much value, size small, crop top. It's cute, but not much value. Loft, going back to ThredUP, size medium. This is pretty cute. I mean, this could be cute with like shorts in the summer. My pepper earrings. I mean, maybe I'll keep it. Really cute. Last thing is Curious. Never heard of that brand, but it just feels really cheap. So I'm thinking it's nothing. Size small, bodycon skirt, and that's it. However, I think that I will be able to make my money back based on those like Loro Piana khaki pants that I'm gonna send back to ThredUP. That Faithful the brand jumpsuit, so cute. And then the first dress with the stars. I think with those 3 items, I'm gonna make my money back. Then the rest will just be like, you know, we'll see. So it's good to be back. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll definitely upload my denim unboxing. I'll probably do a blind unboxing, even though I'm not sure of the denim brands. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.